Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this expression when this expression is an integer. That means for which values of n this whole expression is an integer. So let's start. First, what I am going to do, I will make this 16 as 4 square, and this is as usual. So if you observe, you will see that we can complete a square inside this bracket like this. B is nothing but 4, so add 1, subtract 1, then minus 4 as usual. Square whole divided by 2n minus 1. Now this is nothing but 2n minus 1 whole square, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So this is whole square by 2n minus 1. So best part is, you see here, both in numerator we have 2n minus 1 and in denominator 2n minus 1. So this is going to be very easy to simplify. Let's open the bracket and see what happens. And let's divide each term by 2n minus 1, each term of numerator. So I am going to divide 2n minus 1 fourth by 2n minus 1, and then so here you can see easily, because in numerator in first two term by 2n minus 1, in order to this whole expression to be an integer, this part must be an integer, because this is going to be always an integer, this is an integer. So now we'll see when 25 by 2n minus 1 is an integer. So if you see, this term divides 25, it means 2n minus 1 must be a factor of 25. So 2n minus 1 is a factor of 25. So 2n minus 1 must be either plus or minus 1, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 25, because these six integers are proper factor of 25. So n must be either 13 or minus 12. So these are the only values of n for which this expression is going to be an integer. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and we'll see next time.